Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about declaring and accessing members, part of programming in C course. Accessing members of a structure or union is done using the dot operator. The dot operator is used to access the members of a structure or union variable by specifying the name of the variable followed by a dot and the name of the member. Below is an example. In this example, the structure student has three members: roll number, name, and marks. The values of these members are accessed using the dot operator and assigned to the structure variable S1. The output of this program would be roll number 1, name John, and marks 86.50. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.